Hi, I said that I would do this for 100 days. So yeah, here's day 2. This is the question that I have picked, and the question is threesome. So these are the test cases that they have given. So they have given me an array named nums. First, I defined a list which contains integers. So let me just take that. So for example, I'll take that as array equal to new array list. Okay. Now let me create another list of integer. I'll take that as a result. Okay, I'll take that as a result. It should be equal to new array list. So I use for loops now because they were giving me nums. So in the sum of 3 elements present in the list should be equal to 0. For that I'll be using 3 for loops. So that is I start now for I is equal to 0 to I less than n. So since I need to know the value of n, I take int n is equal to what? They already given me the array, that is nums dot length of. Okay, I'll take this now. So then I plus. So yes, now I'll take another loop for int j. So if I begin from 0 itself, what happens is, so the first element will compare with the first element itself. So I should not take 0 here. Instead I should take I plus 1 because in the array, so the first element and second element will be added if I do so. So yes, I take from I plus 1 and j less than n, j plus plus. So now again I'll take the next loop for int k is equal to j plus 1, j less than n, j plus plus. Now I check if nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k, if that is equal to 0, what I'll do is, since I have already created a list named array which will contain integer, I'll start adding the elements to that. So that is array dot add of nums of I, and similarly I'll add add of nums of j and array of nums k. Okay. At last what I'm doing is I'll add this to the result. So now let me just check how this code works in the LeetCode. So as you can see, it has passed test case 2 and test case 3, but it has failed the test case 1. Then let me see what has happened. Okay. As you can see, the same list has repeated 3 times. So let me try to fix this. So the mistake that I have made here is, as you can see, I just removed the I have declared the array here. I have removed from here. Let me just run this and check what will be my output now. Okay. So as you can see, it has passed the 2 test cases, but it has again failed. What has happened here is duplication has took. That is, the same list has arrived 2 times. So the condition that they have given here is the distinct elements should be present and duplicate elements shouldn't be present. So in order to do this, what I should do means, I think I have to sort the elements given.